The IQOO Z9s is a mid-segment phone that will soon be launched globally. Today, I'll talk about its features, specs, advantages, and finally, the price. Let's start with the design. The IQOO Z9s comes in two color options, onyx green and titanium matte. On the back, there's a horizontal camera module with two camera lenses and a ring soft light, plus an LED flash outside the camera module. The phone is expected to be very slim, with a thickness of just 0.749 centimeters, making it the slimmest phone in this segment. The phone's back and front will both be curved, giving it a good in-hand feel. It will also be lightweight, making the overall design quite appealing. The phone will have an IP64 rating for water and splash resistance, meaning you can use it in light rain. Talking about the display, it will feature a 6.78-inch curved OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The display will have a peak brightness of 1800 nits, so outdoor visibility will be very good. Talking about the camera, the IQOO Z9s will have a rear-facing dual camera setup. The main camera is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS. The secondary camera is a 2-megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, there's a 16-megapixel front camera. The phone will also include several AI features, like AI Erase and AI Photo Enhancement, which we'll explore in 9. Moving on to performance, the IQOO Z9s is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, built on TSMC's 4nm technology, which makes it power efficient. It will offer a storage option of 128 GB. The phone will have a 5500 mAh battery with fast charging support. The battery should easily last 1 to 2 days. As for the price, the IQOO Z9s is expected to be around $240. The exact price will be available in the video description once the phone launches globally. So friends, what do you think of the IQOO Z9's design? Which feature do you like best? And what price should it be when it launches in the UK? Let me know in the comments section. See you in the next video.